Hi, in this lecture I will show you how you can write control unit of MIPS CPU. This is the complete architecture of CPU, MIPS CPU, and the control unit perform the uh, task according to the instruction set. Now there are some characteristics which is going to followed in this project. For the design of control unit, I have a list of command set and opcode values and description are shown here. This opcode has 8-bit value. When all values are 0, it performs the command reg out A. Reg out A value will 1 when all opcode are 0. In other case, if opcode is 1, then reg in A will goes to high for opcode 1 and so on. Now I will show you the Verilog code of this project, how you can write this Verilog code. I have written this Verilog code in a Vivado 29.1. You can use this Verilog code in any project as per your requirement. MIPS control unit, as per requirement, the output are shown and the opcode is 8-bit. In always block I have written the rest of code. If reset, then all values are 0, else again, then we apply the case statement on opcode. Based on the opcode value, will assign the output values. For 0 0 0, all 0 opcode, then reg out is 1, rest of instruction set or 0, and so on. You can see when 1 0 0, then it will only assign jump signal, all rest of 0, and so on. Default case signed all 0 values. Now I will show you the test bench of this module. For the test bench, it is very simple. You can follow all my videos. You can easily understand how you can assign, how you can instantiate module in the test bench and assign values. Now I will show you the simulation result. Okay, just simulate the result. You can see the simulation result. I have the input opcode values. According to opcode values, the instructions are assigned 1 as per requirement. For 0 0 opcode values 1, the register A is high, the rest of the signal are low. Similarly, for 9 value of the opcode, the only display C is high and rest of values are 0. You can see the schematic of value of the design. I will just close the design, just if open the schematic design, we'll just open the elaborated design. It will open the schematic for design. Right, you can see the schematic design, and also you can see the values over here. Yeah, for last value we assigned 100, and the displaying values over here. Right, in this way you can display the signals, and you can show the schematic, and you can also view the simulation result. In such a way you can write the control unit code of your MIPS CPU. Thank you so much. Keep subscribe my channel and keep